Sure.
Vegetarian crocodile is Macmac. He was captured here in Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. July 1992, he is 12 feet long and now he's already 17 feet long. Estimated on his age is about 55 to 60 years old. He is considered a senior crocodile. Macmac is a male saltwater crocodile. Hindi ko yan siya lupis. Malaki yan siya sa Japanese malaki. The ating territory is the Philippine freshwater crocodile, age around 9 feet. So these crocodiles are under conservation by the Pine Earth because they're critically endangered and endemic here in the Philippines.
Gabi ni, ayun mo, si
So if you notice some of the other crocodiles, their mouth is open. So their mouth is open because they are cooling off or cooling down through evaporation of moisture inside their mouth. For short po, naiinitan yan sila kaya nakanganga, okay? Okay, last pen right side is Valentino, and on the left side is Valentina. They were both captured Valentine's Day here in Palawan, February 14, 2012. That's where Valentina and Valentina. And they're both saltwater crocodiles. So everyone, if you're done, you can proceed to our potable free holding a baby crocodile. Again, libre yung hawak ko. Don't worry, nakatape ko yung mouth niyan. Hindi ko kayo
Ixi.